Today, we're in the studio to check out McAfee's Privacy and Identity Guard software. Setting this up will protect the privacy of your own personal info and reduce the amount of data about you that is found online, which in turn lowers the risk of identity theft. And that saves you so much stress when it comes to online privacy and the safety of your own personal data. It's compatible with Windows, Android, macOS, and iOS, so it works across all your devices. Just install it where you want it. You can even access and manage your identity and privacy directly in the browser, whenever and wherever. You're probably used to having this stuff on your laptop, but it's really useful on phones too, especially since that's where a lot of us tend to do online banking and use social media. Once you set up Privacy and Identity Guard, Personal Data Cleanup will constantly look for your info on high-risk data broker sites and automatically request removal if it finds anything. On those websites, it's readily available for identity thieves, hackers, scammers, but you don't have to worry about that. You'll be protected. Another thing that this does in the background is monitor the dark web. You get 24/7 monitoring of up to 50+ unique pieces of personal info. It looks out for anything from bank accounts and credit cards to even your email addresses, government IDs, and much more. If anything gets found, you get notified an average of 10 months sooner than you would with similar services. That way, you can react quickly and keep your personal information safe. Now, all of that sounds good for your current accounts. But what about those old and forgotten ones, I hear you ask? Well, thankfully, it keeps an eye on those accounts too. Online Account Cleanup runs monthly scans to find all your online accounts. Then it shows you a risk level for each one so you can decide how to manage it. And if you'd like to know more about this McAfee security software, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.